Hi! In today's episode of Short Clips with Grammar Tips, we're not going to talk about how you conjugate verbs, we're going to talk about what it means to conjugate a verb. Yes, this video is for you, Americans. You know how you're not supposed to say I be, you're supposed to say I am, and you're not supposed to say he be, you're supposed to say he is, and you're not supposed to say we be, but sometimes you do, but you're supposed to say we are. In French, same shit. So for example, you want to say I sleep in French. It is je dors. And then at some point in the conversation, you're going to hear nous dormons. And you're going to be like, what is nous dormons? And nous dormons is we sleep. And you're going to be like, but I thought sleep was dors and not dormons. And that is verb conjugation. The verb dormir takes different forms depending on what subject you're using. Which is why it is important to know about verb conjugation so you can understand what people are saying, and you can also say things correctly if you have any interest in saying things correctly. And now that you fully understand what it means to conjugate verbs, I can make a video on how to conjugate your verbs. That's it for today. I have a website because I teach French online. My website is justspeakfrench.com, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye!